pay-grade ko yan, ma'am. Tagalogin na natin.
Sabihin nyo kung saan siya dalahin.
The hard way.
Tang ina ka.
The hard way.
Ayaw lagi tayo. Asa si Bingbong? Bong! Bong! Bong, halika Bong, tinan mo. Abusado kayo na sila. Abusado. Dili mo hindi dapat ato agianan. Ayaw lagi. Wala yung waram. Wala lagi waram. Bong, Bong, just Bingbong. Ayaw na. Masakay tayo lahat yan.
Ayaw ko magsama kayo dito ay magkaroon ganyan. Lakaw na, ayaw, ay nagkakon ng bata, ayaw sila.
Ha? Yung si Betty. Nak, ano na kayo doon? Oo.
Nahuwara, bata.
Ate Nira.
Our obligations under the okay, sir? Sir, ganito.
Let us follow the
Ito na ang sinasabi ko, sir, na we can do this the hard way. We can do this the easy way. The easy way, sir, is for you to choose 3 people to accompany PR to the plane. May bus dyan. And you go into the plane. Okay, sir. The hard way.
What plane is this, sir?
Ma'am, chartered flight.
Chartered flight from?
Okay.
So we need to know. We need to know where you're bringing our president.
Ma'am, the hard way.
Sir, we need to know. Please give us information
Makinig ka muna, ma'am.
where you are bringing
Wala sa pay grade ko yan, ma'am. Tagalogin na natin.
Sabihin nyo kung saan siya dalahin.
The hard way.
Tang ina ka.
The hard way.
po kami.
The hard way is for you.